Hi, Matthew. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. My business partner Natalie had spoken with Marie earlier, and we got the go ahead to send you this video. The reason why we wanted to send it was to show you how you can get more traffic to your site without having to pay per click. So, the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinks, content, and citations. So, if we come over here to Google and we search Mold Remediation Houston, first thing we see here is the map pack. And below that is the organic section. So a main ranking factor here in this area is going to be through backlinking. And all a backlink is just one website linking to another website. So we see here Drymore is your top competitor. So we'll plug them in to see what they have going on. We see they have 37 referring domains or other websites, giving them 353 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see you have 2 referring domains giving you 3 backlinks. Don't be alarmed by this. It's very normal for people who have not done any type of SEO to their website. So what would need to happen in your case is you want to pass up your top competitor. So I would say get about maybe 500 to 600 links pointing back at your website. Um, Another thing with linking is you want to make sure you're getting relevant, trustworthy links. So, relevant meaning the links that are pointing back to you are from other remediation sites or other sites that are relevant to your industry, and then trustworthy links in the sense that they're not spammy. So, a great way to tell that is by looking at these metrics. This represents the power and trust of a site. Ideally, they're going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So, 20 and 20 or 25 and 30, those would be really great metrics. I probably wouldn't get all the links they have being that they're at 17 and 0.1. I'd go out and find some better links that have better metrics. But that is one way you can go get the links is by just going and finding top people in different areas and going through all of their links to see which ones you can get a link from as well. So I wanted to show you the search volume going on in your area. We'll see if you're being found for any relevant keywords. For some reason, you're being found for a lot of Chicago stuff. I'm not sure what's going on there. I did check your locations and I don't think I saw anything for Chicago. So that's interesting. But looking here, so Water Restoration Houston TX, there's 50 searches a month for that. You're in the 84th position, so probably about the ninth page. And that's really it. So let's jump over here just so you get an idea of the type of search volume going on. So Mold Remediation Houston is searched about 350 times a month. So definitely want to get found for that. Mold Removal 100, Houston Mold 150. Mold removal, there's 60 for that. I'm not sure if you work in San Antonio, but if you do, there's 70 for that. Austin has 150. And let's see if there's anything. I'm not sure if you do water remediation, but water damage for Katy is 30, Sugarland 20. Houston water damage restoration. Houston is searched about 80 times a month. So there's quite a bit of searches going on every month that you're just not being found for. So definitely want to get those links pointing back to your site and getting the right keywords plugged in to your website. So coming back here, when I'm referring to content, I just mean all of the words on your site. So in Google's eyes, content is king. The more you have, the better. And so we recommend that you get about 1,500 to 2,500 words of keyword-rich content on this home page. Oh, I'm sorry, this is your location pages. On the home page, and then you want to get lots and lots of content on all these back pages here. So if there's any water mitigation keywords, fire, mold, all that. So you want to get the proper keywords with lots of content on those back pages. I recommend probably about 1,000 words on each of those back pages. Coming over to Google, So citations come to play here in the map pack, and all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So typically, whenever we're searching how many citations any one business has, it's never more than 50 to 75 tops. So we recommend getting 350 so you can just beat your competition by a landslide. So get your Google My Business listing fully optimized. Make sure you have a great description. You're posting photos. The photos are labeled with the correct keywords, and you're making new posts and just being really active on it. And then being very diligent with getting 5-star reviews. I'm not sure how many reviews yours has, but if you did end up in this top three, you are competing with somebody that has 184, 128, and 34. So you want to make sure you have lots of really great reviews as well. So, just to do a recap for you, you want to get relevant, trustworthy links pointing back at your website to show Google you are the authority in your niche and you deserve to be at the top of that first page. You want to get lots and lots of relevant, keyword rich content on this homepage and lots on your back pages as well. And then you want to get your Google My Business listing fully optimized and get those citations added so you can be found in the top three. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this really helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you have a great day.